Japan's Nissan will adjust production at several factories next month due to the global chip shortage. 3 sources with direct knowledge of the situation told Reuters of the plan on Tuesday. Japan's third largest automaker will reportedly halt production at a factory in the east of the country for a total of 3 days in July, and will idle another plant in the south for 2 days. The sources added that another factory will cut production hours. A spokesperson for Nissan said it would be adjusting production and taking necessary actions to ensure recovery. Like other automakers, Nissan has been grappling with a worldwide chip supply crunch, which it says will likely affect the production of 500,000 vehicles this year. At its AGM on Tuesday, the company said it was seeking to minimise the negative impact of the shortage.